Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in here and I am quite excited about it. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on one or both of these really cool stickers, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. Alrighty. So, let's shift the contents and get in right here, right? With my insanely sharp scalpel. Insanely sharp, making cuts that are essentially effortless, right? That was intentional, just going through the tape. Razor sharp scalpel. Sharpen that scalpel. We can't stand it. All right, we're almost in. Surgical excellence. All right, so this package was sent to me by Protech. How are we on the lighting here? Are we doing okay? Yeah, I think we're okay. And they had contacted me a while back. Said, would you like to take a look at this? And I said, yes, I would. Ooh, some stickers, right? This is the TR3. That's not what this is. But that's very wonderful. Thank you so much, Protech. Can't wait to put that one on my binder. All right, guys. So this is very new. Very, very new. Let's get a little bit brighter here. This is a model that you guys have seen come out very recently, but I believe mine is a blade shape that has only been recently made available. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, wonderful. Let's find a way past the sticker. There we go. Oh, boy. So this is a Protech Malibu button lock with the reverse Tanto blade shape. Oh boy, Protech, this is wonderful. So Protech has kind of started to tiptoe into this this button lock flipper thing, and they do a really good job of it. The first time that I ever handled a there was the Mordax, which was originally a Ferrum Forge design, and then they brought the production form of there was the custom, then the mid-tech, and then the production form with Protech that was a button lock in aluminum and titanium, and then there was an option in titanium. And then they did another button lock that was a little bit different, and both of them were really good. And people really liked them. And I think this Malibu, I mean, to me, the idea here is let's make a handle profile and size that appeals to a lot of people. And then I believe the plan is to release multiple different blade shapes. This one is tumbled, and that is just beautiful. That is not a finish that I generally expect from Protech, but I cannot tell you how happy I am that mine is not satin finished and that it is in fact tumbled. I love the size of this. You know, it's not quite an 8-inch knife. I think it's about 7.5 inches, maybe. Let's go ahead and measure it. This isn't the review, guys. The review's coming. Yeah, it's 7.5 inches. That's a wonderful size for so many people. Even me in an XL glove, I can easily get my hand all the way around it. Nice and lightweight. Man, it's nice and drop shut. So these are actually, I believe, I think the production forms are 20 CV. Look at this. The blade is sterile. Oh boy, Protech. This is real. I mean, my first impressions of this are all like, check, 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 check. Very cool. Oh man, how cool is this? I can't wait to just sit around. You guys know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to sit around on the couch and flip it and play with it, go over it with a magnifying glass, right? But I'm going to use this one. Thank you so much, Protech, for sending this my way, allowing me to experience it. I cannot wait to talk about this guy in depth. Man, that flipping action is good. Boy, how's the centering here? We got some good centering. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're good on the centering there. Boy, that's wonderful. That reverse Tanto is very, very cool. I'm a big fan of that. I don't know if you guys specifically sent me a version you thought that would cater to my interests, or if you just rolled the dice, but thank you very much. This is very, very cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.